Hello, and welcome to the Trial Guide's Tip of the Day. My name is Michael Leeserman, and it is Tuesday, August 29th, 2023. Today's tip comes from the book The Plaintiff's Lawyer's Playbook: Insights and Recommendations on How to Prepare for Success in Settling and Trying Cases by Elden Rosenthal. You owe it to your client to determine whether a fair and just settlement can be achieved. But the goal must be a fair and just settlement, not just a settlement. Nice wordplay there. This is such a huge topic, right? Settlement. Settlement, from what I've seen over the years, many plaintiffs' lawyers pushing clients towards settlement. And I have seen much rarer, but plaintiffs' lawyers trying to push a client toward trial and not settling. But we have to remember, because it's our ethical duty and because it's the right thing to do, it's nice when those align, is to really help your client come to an informed choice. And so I try to do this by setting out pros and cons and doing my very best to not influence that decision, at least the initial thoughts. Here, if we settle, here's what happened, this and that. Here's the upsides if we go to trial. Here's the insurance limits we could lose, or if it's admitted liability, here's what the ranges are. They really have to understand. We have to explain the very best case, the very worst case, what we think is reasonably likely to happen. Listen to what our clients say, and then we can advise. Well, I think when they get to this point, the risk in my mind shifts. At this point, I wouldn't blame you if you said yes or no, or at this point, I think the risk has shifted enough that I think it makes sense to settle, and I'm happy to go forward to trial, to your case, or vice versa. Whatever it is, there is a way in which we influence. Very much our clients are listening and want advice from us. The extreme of this, I've seen over the years, is the lawyer acting unethically that doesn't even consult with the client, just settles it, or just says, this is what we have to do. We have to settle. There's really no choice here. It's a good offer. I don't think that's our job. Our job is to give to give information and talk with the client. And, sometimes there's the client's being foolish. If the offers, the 95% of the policy limits or all the policy limits, and it's not a collectible, they want to go forward anyhow. I still want to listen. It might cost you more money out of your pocket. Is the trial that important? Is there a message? And just to listen. And again, I'm coming up with extremes that aren't usually the norm. So just the basics should be to give our clients the information, listen, talk with them, and help them come to the best decision they can. Never certainty, but the best decision they can about whether to settle or not. Let's take a deep breath together and be grateful to be alive this Tuesday. May the work that we do today help reduce suffering in our lives and the lives of our clients, and help reduce suffering in the world. May the work we do today help repair the world. May we fiercely and compassionately advocate for our clients and champion their stories. May we do so coming from a place of love. It's possible and actually very effective to come from a place of compassion and love, not from a place of hate, and be a badass trial lawyer with great results. I'm going to ring a bell 3 times now. This can take you into a meditation practice, a prayer practice, or just remind you, wake up. It's Tuesday. Go out, do good things, and have fun while you're doing it.